They were looking at her through the cameras as she was placing things into her bag, and she walked out of the business with all the stuff that she had stolen. Okay, so I will call you back as soon as we make a decision or we figure out what's going on.
Came out of first watch and now Officer Justin. What is your badge number, sir?
Sit down.
Sir, what is your badge? I know my rights. I know my rights, sir.
Turn around.
Hold on, no. I'm not turning around now. I'm not turning around.
On February 27, 2024, a Hollywood, Florida police officer approached a woman who matched the description of a suspected shoplifter at a local Target.
Ma'am, I will place you under arrest and you should start
I didn't do
cooperating.
anything.
Okay. They told me at Target you stole a bag of stuff.
I didn't steal anything,
okay,
sir.
don't argue with me. Just give me your ID and we'll figure this out.
I didn't steal anything, sir. I'm sorry to tell you that. I'm a regular citizen. I'm on the phone with my mom. I didn't do anything wrong.
Your ID.
I don't have an ID, sir. I do not have an ID. Mom, can you come to first place right here? Because I'm being harassed by an officer. What is your name, sir?
Sit down.
What's your name?
212, you got a 94 in row?
Yes, Mom. Yeah, because I'm being harassed. I literally just came out of first watch and now Officer Justin. What is your badge number, sir?
Sit down.
Sir, what is your badge? I know my rights. I know my rights, sir.
Turn around.
Hold on, no. I'm not.
After refusing to identify herself, the woman suddenly makes a run for it, triggering a foot chase through the parking lot.
Oh. 513, 1031. We're in front of the police station. All right, we're going north of Hollywood Boulevard. Stop running! All right.
Sir, I didn't do anything wrong. Can I call my mom? I didn't do. Ow! Sir, I didn't do anything wrong.
Go, bro.
I have two kids. I didn't do anything.
13, we'll have her in custody. We're on FedEx.
Sir, I didn't do anything wrong.
Put your hand behind your back.
All right, my mom is on the phone.
I don't care. I got this. Turn around.
Because you were trying to detain me and I didn't do anything. Sir, please be gentle. I just got surgery.
That's your fault.
I didn't do anything wrong. You wanted to detain me for no reason.
On the boulevard, we got her in custody. So anybody else in?
Sir.
Shut up.
Y'all trying to accuse me of
Stop talking.
And I just literally came out of first watch.
Stop talking.
Can you put my shoe on? Y'all just scared me. My brother died from the police officer.
Okay.
Like, y'all scaring me. Of course I'm gonna run away.
Man, get off. Stop talking to me. Stop talking.
So I didn't mean for you to fall.
Where am I going?
Ow!
Stop talking.
My phone.
Turn around.
Sir, my
Turn
phone.
around.
Ow, my phone.
I'm not worried about nothing.
Sir, I didn't do anything wrong.
Once secured in the back of the police car, the woman asks to speak to her mother. The officers agree, allowing her to make a call while they continue their investigation.
Please, I will cooperate. I just want to talk to my
Get in.
mom.
You're not talking to no one. You're under arrest.
All right.
You go get my sunglasses. I'll drop them across the street.
Oh, that's all I asked. That's all I asked her. Where was she? Officer, can I please have my phone?
You want to search her? We didn't search her.
Let me get gloves.
Security footage from inside the Target shows the suspect walking through the store, placing items into her cart and personal bag. She then meets with another individual, transfers the items, and exits the store without paying, which prompted the initial call to the police.
If there's a reason why we're interacting with you, it's because there's a reason. So think about what you did at Target that would have had us look for you specifically, because you're very specific. You have red braids, you know what I'm saying? So what did you do at Target?
I just met up with my friend at Target. She handed me a bag, and I came in here and first walked to use the bathroom. As soon as I came out, the police...
Your friend handed you a bag at Target?
A Spanish friend that just came from Target.
You don't know what was in that bag?
No, ma'am. It was all I saw was on top was a black coat on top. He asked me for my ID. I told him that my ID was... I don't have a... I just...
Your ID on you?
My ID should be...
Is your car?
No. You just open it. Which one is it?
This one. Please. She has my kids. I just got freaking scared, bro. I got kids.
You're not going to have stolen merchandise in that bag that your friend gave you?
No, ma'am. Not that I'm aware of. I promise you that.
Not that you're aware of, or not, or you know for sure that it's not going to be stolen?
I haven't even looked inside.
So what was she saying that you were meeting up for?
She just...
It's leg.
And can you write it down, please?
Yeah.
What's your name?
I want to speak to her.
No.
She just came out of service.
Hello?
Hello.
Hi, this is Officer Bromley with the Hollywood Police Department. Your daughter, we just stopped her and detained her because apparently she was stealing at Target.
Report about something with my...
Well, right now we're not dealing with that. You asked me if I could call her to let her know.
The number?
Yes, I will write that down. Just let us figure it out first.
I have the white female victim going to identify the suspect. Starting mileage 2320. It's literally just across the parking lot.
Okay. Where'd she go?
She ran from us.
Oh, I figured.
She ran almost into the front door of the police department.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Well, that's awkward.
She got a warrant. She got 3.
That's 3 1.
We'll make them put the...
All right.
One out for him?
Just step out for us, ma'am.
It's just my leg.
What's wrong with your leg?
I got anxiety. When they-
Just turn this way for me, all right?
She's hit us 4 or 5 times in the past 2 weeks. Yes, that's her.
212 positive ID.
All right, just have a seat.
Ultimately, the woman was charged with resisting without violence and petty theft for the stolen goods, which totaled $530.91. This situation escalated from a simple shoplifting accusation to a dramatic foot chase and arrest, showing just how quickly things can change on a call. What are your thoughts on how this was handled? Do you think the woman's decision to run was a panic reaction or an admission of guilt? Let us know your perspective in the comments below. We read through as many as we can and value the discussion. If you found this breakdown compelling, please hit that like button as it really helps the channel reach more people. And if you want to see more body cam analysis like this, make sure you subscribe and ring that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.